Okay, so we're in Uluwatu and this is Bingin Beach. So we can just kind of see some of the surfers. We have this path that goes up to the top, up in here. And lots of people carrying big sacks. Anyways, let's go check it all out. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's go down Bingin Beach. We're gonna try to find the way to go there. Let's see. We got this way and this way, so I think we'll go this way. I think I'm choosing this way because I saw the guy with the surfboard. So I'm not sure the best way, but oh, wrong way. Gotta go up the other way. We'll turn the camera back on when we get figured out. At least you kind of get an idea of exactly what it's like having to climb up steps and trying to sort out the right path or not. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can figure out the right way. Let's see. A little bit of a challenge to find the right way here. Santorini. Looks really cool. Amazing. To the beach. Okay, good. Very, very cool. Wow. So Venice, Miami, Capri, Cartagena, Manhattan, Manhattan. Oh, I guess those are the rooms. So to the beach. I can smell something here. Okay, this is actually really, really cool. So we're still kind of meandering down into the beach. It's got quite a few steps. Surfboard. It's pretty cool. We got these nice views everywhere in this whole area. So I guess this is a Santorini resort. Another sign that says to the beach. Okay, so we're going to turn the camera on when we get down a little bit closer. Okay, looks like we found our way. So we're coming all the way down to the beach right here. Nice. Really nice. Okay. Sand is soft. So we're gonna go all the way down to the green part. And I think I'll probably just walk around and explore a little bit. So yeah, this is the beach here. So basically we were started way up there, and basically I heard that there's a lot of cliffs that you have to go down, and you can actually see stuff all the way down. So I can see some housing up here and then way down there as well. So I guess there's a lot of ways to get down to the ocean. And that's basically what we're overlooking right now. Okay, here we got a bunch of algae. Looks like the water kind of recently came down. Pretty cool. Okay, there's some surfers out there as well. So what I'm gonna do is just do a quick little 360, and we're gonna walk over to where the surfers are at, way on the other end. So we're gonna walk all the way down there. And you can also see a lot of these right here. So if you stay in one of these, then you're just basically looking at the surf, right? And there's some surf breaks out there. So we're gonna continue walking out that way as well. Big short 360 here. Board rentals. Okay, let's continue on. Okay. So yeah, basically we have all these houses that are kind of devoted to surfing, I believe. Then we have kind of this algae in here. And that's basically where we're going to keep going all the way across and go all the way to that beach, all the way to that side. Okay, I'm basically along the cliffs now. And we're going slightly north. So we're sort of at the one beach, but it looks like we're going to go down another beach and we'll try to go back up a different way, which is pretty cool. Kind of like this so far. It's and you can see the water comes up quite a bit, so it's like a pretty good place to get stranded if you're not careful. All right. Okay, we're still moving along. I think I'm really giving you a feel of Uluwatu. So I'm going to try to get all the way over to those beaches over there, but we'll see if I can do it or not. I don't know. But at least I made it over to this beach, which was kind of a goal. Just give you a little reference. That's where we're at, is Bingen Beach. Then we went up north to, that's where we're at right now, Chemincoke Beach. And we're going to keep on going north towards Dreamland Beach. Just give you a little context of the greater area. We're basically over here in Bali, Uluwatu. So we got some cool stuff down this way, and we're going to keep on going all the way down. And you got all the surfers all the way down that way. Uluwatu. Let's keep on checking it all out. Okay, so now we're kind of in all these rocks in here. So we're going to try to see if we can navigate through here. Okay, let's see. So pretty cool. So we're going to try to go this way. And so we got all that beach up there, so this is kind of on the way. It looks like there's a way to go back up to the top up this way as well. Okay. So it looks like we might be able to go like this. There's some footprints that go this way. Look at those nice cliffs like that too. Okay. Amazing. Look at that surf too. And they actually have all that stuff up there too. You can see like a little rows of all that stuff. I'm strolling all the way down. Okay, so now we're yeah, because there's some kind of cliff stuff that's in here as well. Uluwatu. Very, 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 very cool. And in the distance you can see some surfers. They're way out there, so I saw some of the water was pretty pretty nice surf break. But yeah, pretty cool little space. And you can see all the surfers way out there as well, so we'll try to get a little closer in a second. They have all these amazing cliffs everywhere. Gonna walk all the way through. And then over on the main beach over here is where all the surfers are at. And now we're gonna come up to this other kind of main beach right here. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so I think we're gonna come to an end. I might try to film going out of here if it's interesting. So you can see all the surfers right in here. So we walk to the other beach. I think it's called Dream something beach. I'll label it. Okay, so that's our beach. I think people are going this way to go in and out. But there's also this kind of cool looking thing right here too. Kuta Beach Cafe it's called. Alright, so I'm going to try to come out of here too, then we'll bring this to conclusion. So this would be the beach entrance right here. Very cool. And then this would be the way to go out or in. So we're gonna follow that path and see where we go. Very, very cool. So I just hiked out of there. So we just came from there. It's a golf course up there, Dreamland Beach. It also says the best sunsets in the world. Dreamland Beach. And now we're just up on the main roads. All right. Little taste of Uluwatu for you. The end.